In Mametz Wood, Shears explores the theme of war and of loss in a broader sense, as in the loss of a generation, and how we today have allowed this horror to be all but forgotten. So now we're going to look a little more closely at the language Shears uses in the poem, and how his choice of words and images helps to create meaning. Firstly, we need to think about the phrase, "the wasted young," when the narrator refers to the discovery of the soldiers. We are reminded of the innocence of many of the men who went to battle. Through the use of the noun young and the adjective wasted, which emphasises the narrator's pessimistic attitude to this battle, and perhaps to war. As we move into the second stanza, Shears uses metaphorical contrasting imagery to describe the bones that are found in the earth. The shoulder blade is compared to a china plate, and the skull is a broken bird's egg. These objects are used to convey a sense of fragility, contrasting the violent images of war with an everyday object, with the china plate, and the bird's egg linking to the natural world. He continues to juxtapose war with nature when he uses the image of the nesting machine guns. The weapons are now part of nature, suggesting the power war has. Shears also personifies nature. He comments on how the earth stands sentinel, sentinel meaning a soldier standing guard. The earth is seen to be guarding the soldier's memory, helping to remember those who fought and died in this war. We then learn about the men in the grave who've been ploughed up by the farmer. They are a broken mosaic of bone who are mid-dance macabre. Dance macabre, being a medieval dance of death, creates an image of these skeletons dancing together, reminding us that the soldiers were once living beings. But we're then told of their socketed heads tilted back at an angle, and this vivid image reminds us that they have been savagely killed in this battle. Shears does not want to let us forget that. The final stanza relays the message that with this unearthing of the bones, the soldiers have finally given their voice. They are now able to sing, and these notes are released from their absent tongues. The adjective absent reminds us that these men have been lost. They have not been remembered as they should have been. But now they have been discovered. They have finally been given their voice.